We're always so excited to receive great feedback from our satisfied customers. Really, we just want to give every customer a 5-star experience. Here's an awesome review from one of them that we just couldn't resist sharing with you and everyone else. And this is what they had to say. Attention to detail and customer satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete customer care to each and every client. So if you're after great customer service that will cater to your needs, experience our first-rate, top-notch service today. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we look forward to chatting with you soon.